Kids learn with fun.
Hello, friends! Today, we are going to learn about emergency vehicles. Are you ready to join with me? Our first vehicle is ambulance. Ambulance help to transport sick or injured people immediately to the hospital. Paramedics are specially trained people who operate ambulance. Say hi to paramedic.
Hi, friends.
Ambulance has a stretcher and lot of medical tools in it. Our next emergency vehicle is air ambulance. The air ambulance transports sick or injured people from airport. They also help when immediate transportation to hospital is needed from very far areas. The air ambulance is operated by pilots. There are also medical staff to treat sick or injured people. Our next emergency vehicle is fire truck. When there is a sudden fire, fire trucks quickly reach and put out the fire. They also help in other emergency situations to rescue people. Some fire trucks have water tank, pumper, and hose attached to it. The fire hose puts out fire from high-pressure water stream. Ladder trucks have a very tall ladder that can reach tall buildings and rescue people or animals. Fire trucks are operated by firefighters. Say hi to this hero. Firefighters keep all of us safe.
Hi, friends.
If you get a chance, do not forget to check out different tools that are in a fire truck. Our next emergency vehicle is police car. Police officers reach immediately to any emergency situation by police cars. Police cars are operated by police officers. Police officers ensure the safety of the community. Say hi to the police officer.
Hello, friends.
Our next vehicle is police helicopter. Police helicopters can reach emergency situations extremely fast and also help to patrol a big area. Our next emergency vehicle is tow truck. Tow trucks help to move broken or damaged cars to the service stations or other places as necessary. Tow trucks are operated by specially trained drivers and also auto mechanics. Say hi to auto mechanic.
Hello, friends.
Great job! We learned about 6 emergency vehicles. See you in another fun learning video. Bye for now.